Hey, what's up? This is Jeremy with Cross and Concrete Floors in Dallas. We got a really interesting video today. We're going to be resurfacing a concrete driveway. Now, this house was recently renovated, but it was built in the 40s, and the surface of the driveway looks terrible. It's all pitted and beat up, tons of oil stains. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grind it to get it consistent, and then we're gonna top it with brand new concrete to make it look brand new. We're gonna use products by Ardex for this job. The main concrete dressing, the topping that we're gonna put down, is called Ardex CD. Now this is designed specifically for this use, and it's very durable. The Ardex CD is kind of light gray in color, so we're gonna add a charcoal gray pigment to the mix just to help it match the house a little bit better. This application does require a primer as well, so we're gonna use Ardex CG. It's actually an acrylic sealer. We're gonna put that down before we put the concrete on the surface. Okay, so that's how you refinish a driveway. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe, share the video with a friend. Thanks for watching.